All right, guys, very exciting. We have another Tudor Pagani design Chrono Homage here. This time in that two-tone colorway. I freaking love these watches. There it is. Oh man, those subdials look so nice. Look at that. And not only that, but I have completed the trifecta. I've caught them all. I've been wearing this black dial literally non-stop. I've never met a watch like this. Had a watch that I've worn almost every single day. And it has no date. I thought it would be an issue for me, but it just makes the dial look cleaner. And I put it on this, I think cheapest NATO straps, kind of like a leather strap, and I think the combo just slaps so hard. Oh my god. But yes, I've caught them all, so to speak. And this two-tone, I think I'm so happy that the case is stainless steel and only the pushers and a little bit of the accents here are gold. It's not too flashy, right? So if I decide to kind of pop it off the bracelet and put it on a leather strap or something else, I think it still looks nice. And look at that, female end links, phenomenal deal for $67. I think this is Pagani's best. Well, this colorway is the best one, but I think this dimension and everything is just phenomenal. And I've had the San Martin homage, but it's just it doesn't wear the same. Obviously, it's more mechanical. It's a mechanical chronograph, but this one is not as comfortable, as robust, as grab and go as Pagani design. And wow, I just can't get over those gold subdials. And then the gold hands as well. I think this is super nice. But yes, full review. I have full review on this one coming up real soon because everyone needs this watch in their collection. Great grab and go quartz. And then I'll do a whole cut 'em all Pokemon style video with all three. And obviously, each one will get their individual reviews, as well as do a review for this because I've been getting a lot of questions on this. And so far, I don't recommend this one because I think there's better mechanical chronographs out there from Sugis and San Martin. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.